Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing how to make this fresh fish pepper soup with yam and plantain. So this pepper soup is so delicious, and I twist the ingredients around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to the ingredients. Okay, so you can use any fresh fish of your choice. Okay, just go and grab any fish you like, you love out there. The next ingredient I'm going to be using for this pepper soup is pepper, parsley, utazi. Yes, that is what you're seeing there. I added parsley into this and the taste was amazing. And here is this pepper soup spice that I'm using. I don't like using too much spices on my pepper soup because I still love to have the taste of the fish. And here is the yam and plantain that I'm going to be using, already peeled and soaked in the water. Salt, nut cube. I'm going to be using 1 out of the 2 of the nut cube. So yeah, those are the ingredients. So the first thing you're going to be doing is just wash and slice your fish into the saucepan you're going to be using to cook them. Okay, so after doing that, just place the pot over the heat, add the water. Depends on how many quantity you want. Just add the water you want to use, or that will be cooked it will cook on. So I'm going to blend the spices you saw earlier with the vegetable, which is utazi and ozuza, with pepper. So now I'm pouring the blended spices over to the fish. Yes, you can go ahead and add more spices that you love to add on your pepper soup, but that parsley gave it a very nice taste. You should try adding parsley into your pepper soup. You will love it. Just don't add too much, add a little. You will love it. So now I'm adding a little bit of ginger and garlic, dry ginger and garlic. I didn't show it to you earlier, but I'm going to be using dry ginger and dry garlic on this recipe. So go ahead and add them. Don't be scared. You will love it. I don't like blending my order. I love to throw them in there like that. So you can go ahead and blend them. After adding the order, I'm going to add 1 nut cube. Like I said, only 1 of it I want to add into it because I still love to have the natural taste of the fish. And I'm going to be using sea salt. You can use any salt of your choice. So after adding all the ingredients, go ahead and throw in the yam or the plantain or the potato you're using. Depends on the one you want to use, or you can actually make it without. So after adding everything together, I'm just going to cover them to cook. Just make sure the salt you added is enough, and taste the spices if they are enough as well. Okay, but I guarantee you that adding a little bit of parsley leaf will make a difference on your pepper soup. So put the lid on and allow it to cook. And here is me trying to check. This is after 10-12 minutes, trying to check if they are cooked, which the yam and the plantain is well cooked and the fish is also cooked, guys. So I'm testing if the salt is enough or if it's lacking anything, which is not lacking anything at all. Yeah, so now I'm just going to put the lid on back for another 1 minute. Then I'm going to uncover it, and that is the pepper soup we are looking for. I throw in some pepper again because I'm expecting, and I love a little bit of spicy food, but you can minimize the pepper you throw in there. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this video, guys. You need to try these recipes on your pepper soup. You will enjoy it. You will not regret it. Believe me, you will enjoy it. And here is the yam. The yam is very soft. The plantain is soft, and it's time to enjoy this pepper soup, very hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bon appetito. Ciao. Just bring out your plate. Let me dish some for you. Just bring your plate closer.